since we are running short at the time, I thought to close the session, but I request to put forward few questions. We can take a couple of questions and then close the session.
Good afternoon. Thank all the panelists for a hearty discussion. I have one small question. I am a man of data, neither marketing nor brand. One question which clicks to my mind after listening all of you, of 60 I am taking back to you. Maybe a couple of you might have gone after that. Dalda and the Banaspati ghee. How do you take it? Whether Dalda drives the product or the product drives the product? I hope you are all aware about the Dalda product. Whenever my mom told me to buy Banaspati, she never told me buy Banaspati. She told me buy Dalda. And this is a brand of a company. Very well known company. MNC, maybe 150 years old as of then. So you want to have your views on this.
The question, if I understand it correctly, is whether the product drives the brand or the brand drives the product. Because in my opinion, product is a part of the brand. So a brand has a promise. That promise ought to be delivered by various aspects. One of them being the product. So let's take the example of Philips. So our brand promise is coming out with innovation that matters to you. Now that has to be brought alive by every product that we launch. So that feeds into the brand promise. So product is just one of the legs that helps you deliver on your brand promise and commitment. Then there is your brand identity, your service, there are pricing, promotion, all of that. So the commonly referred the marketing jargon of 4 Ps. So product is one of the 4 Ps, which feeds into the brand promise. So product is, to answer your question simply, product is one of the legs which drives the brand, amongst other things.
Just for the purpose of clarification. You see, the product, the brand, Dalda, ruled couple of decades. Okay, without any so much R&D at that point of time, without any research and business models at that point of time.
Which is what I was saying.
Now almost 6 decades I am talking about. Okay, all these things in newer development. Maybe after
Can I try different take on this?
90s.
Okay, so let me just try and flip this question and see if I can answer this one quickly. My take on this is that brand, product, all of these evolve from a very core and a primal requirement, which is what is the customer is wanting. So what is the customer demand? So product gets created based upon an intrinsic customer need. A brand helps in terms of communicating the product benefit. The brand helps in kind of filling into the customer's requirement in terms of a communication and in terms of consistency. So when you ask the question about whether Vanaspati powered Dalda or did Dalda power Vanaspati, let's look at it this way. There was a time when there was a customer or consumer need for a Vanaspati. And as we have progressed, the consumer preference has changed. And today Dalda is reinventing itself through different kinds of products. So the brand has outlived the product because the product has had a life cycle and it has kind of gone into a sunset. So that's the answer to a question that a brand will continue to hold a promise. Products will fulfill that particular promise, as my friend here mentioned. And as the customer preference, the consumer's preference of consumers' need keeps changing, products will come and fulfill that particular need under a particular brand.
Just want to add to that. In the long run, the debate is settled. The name is very questioned that he or she is branded X name, right? So there always has to be product, but in the classical way, when the product was a fragmentation of entrepreneur's imagination on his gut feel or say intuition, that's not the case because the chances of failure are now higher. So as I mentioned, in the design thinking, you got to first be out in the market. Experience was a pain. You are going personal. Unless Bipin was personally challenged by going to the mobile phone and store and topping it up, you could have never actually found it MobiKwik. So he was passionate about. When Jeff Bezos was out in California and saying, what do I do? Then he said, let me have books online. But once he had Amazon, the initial product was books, but today it's the world's biggest marketplace. To come back, in that world, when somebody has a Vanaspati, as a product, he names Dalda. But then, that time, the loyalty of that Vanaspati and the kind of supply, the distribution, the consistency that they maintain in the taste, it got on people's psyche. By the way, if Nike or PepsiCo or Coke or say ITC in India were never the brands, they would never exist today. They don't manufacture anything by the way. They are purely marketing and distribution companies. The entire manufacturing, entire supply chain is outsourced. So they don't produce anything. The only thing they produce is brand, which is perceptive, which is an intangible asset. So to answer it, yes, you have to have brand because that will take you beyond and the reason Vanaspati died, because they didn't invent, they stopped and they took the customer for granted. And then somebody else took over. So HUL took over. Today Patanjali is taking over because his branding, Ramdev's branding is emotional, Swadeshi. So he's hitting you. That's why he's replacing a HUL or anybody else. But yes, what is important is once you have heightened the expectations of the consumer, what you're excited in, unless you back it with delivery and back it with consistent delivery, you'll come down the shelf. And that could be as low as she was mentioning 24 hours to probably 3 days. Where customers are impatient today.
LED की वजह से।
Thank you.
So I would want to say that product is definitely which could be product parity. It's the brand which will differentiate that experience backed by a promise. So definitely you can have a similar product, you can match everything through R&D, through features, through everything. But what will distinguish is the brand experience that you are giving. The same logic that you mentioned, sir, you want to Google it. How many times have you said, I want to search it? Definitely there is a correlation, and that's where brands are moving forward.
Thank you. Any other questions, please?
Thank you so much. After the very well facilitated which facilitated us in each aspect possible, I would request our honorable director to felicitate our worthy panelists. Mr. Sudhakar Das. Mr. Avinash Bharati. Mr. Sandeep Bajaj. Mr. Dev Prakash Sawant. Ms. Bhavna Kapoor. And Mr. Anup Babu.